Hello guys, today I want to show you one example of using the query function, Python query function. First of all, I hope you guys know what does the query function means here. If you don't understand that, you can find that concept from my YouTube video, this or yeah. So and now let's look at the question here. So let me show you. Uh, here Here is the explanation of of what does the function wants to do, the purpose of the function here. So so like the end here, uh, make keeper and the end. Okay, the purpose of this function that is from the positive one to the end. So in this range, within this range, what are those which numbers can be satisfied with the condition here. So that's the second parenthesis here. I mean, in the linear function, we will be giving the function the condition if if it's true within the range from the 1 to the n here. Just for example here, first of all, it gives the 5, so 1 to 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And which of those are even number? So only 2 and 4 are even, right? So you have to output the 2 and 4. So right now, let's see how it works here. Okay, let's solve this. First of all, it gives you the function. It is even function here. It already gives you. And this one is the common return function, and the depth is even function. Okay, that means we have to use and here you can see there are two parameters, right? So you have to use the query function still, right? So it's up to you. You can name any function name you like. Because for me, I can I can name it like the result. Result, the function we have to input the function. That's the argument. Okay, and then right now, and don't forget to return the inner function. Like I create a result function, so I'm going to return the results here, and then right now return the f of the n. So what is the f of the n? What is the n first? What's the n first? In this example here, the n is the 5, right? So n is 5. And then we are returning the result function, right? So that means here should be result function. And then along with the second parenthesis is even function, right? So this one, it produces you can produce, it returns the result address, function address. That's the results. And then, so the f here, you can see the f in the argument. The f means the is even. What is even? I just said that is the function way. Is the function is already provided. And then f of the n, so I mean is even or is even. Oh wait a second. Is even here holding the f. Sorry, my mistake. I have to let me see. For loop, I can use I can use for loop from the I in the range of the m plus the 1 comma m plus the 1 and column, and then print the f of the I. Right, from the 1 to m plus 1. I hope you guys know what's the range function here. So from the 1 to the m plus 1, so that means it loop, it prints, is checking from the 1 to the n, just 1 to the n, from 1 to n, and the I, if the n is 5, so 1 to the 5, and the I is being checked from 1 by 1, so, and then you're using the function f is the even function, and call the function. Wait, sorry, what I'm doing. Sorry, my bad. It's not print. It is the if checking. It's checking. Check the f of I. Sorry, my mistake here. If it returns true, which means if the I is the even number, so prints the I. Right? And then next, I will be incremented by 1, right? And then check, and then use the f function. F is the even function to check the I, the second I, like 2 to check if it's even. If it is, just print the I. If it's not, keep looping. So that's the answer. Right. Okay. So if you have any question or any ideas, you are welcome to comments. See you.